Out there and try to get experience first. I would say both. I would recommend doing both. Like, you could put on your resume, here's what you do. Here's a little trick. You say on your resume, working on my Security Plus. You need to work on your Security Plus. So go for your Security Plus, start working on it, put it on your resume right now. Here's what it does for you. When you say that, it automatically flags your resume. It's one of the tricks I put in my course. So when you put that in there, and you can do this with any certification, but you should do it with one that's in your lane. And right now, Security Plus is in your lane. Like, you probably shouldn't put CISSP because you're a college student. You just got out of college. You don't have any experience. But Security Plus is very believable for a new person, and that's probably where you want to start. So yeah, I would put Security Plus on there. It flags your resume. So when technical recruiters are looking for you, they're gonna say, I need somebody who's got a bachelor's degree and has a Security Plus. And yours is going to be, oh, this guy's got a Security Plus. Oh, he's working on a Security Plus. Sometimes they'll call you anyway, or they'll email you anyway and say, hey, I've got a position for you, but these people, they want you to get a Security Plus within a year. Do you think you can do that? And you'd be like, yeah, I could get it in a year. And sometimes the corporation will even pay for your certifications. So yeah, put it on your resume, study for it, start applying for jobs with your degree, entry-level jobs, and tell them, yep, I'm working on my Security Plus. And then see if they have a program that'll pay for your Security Plus. Sometimes they'll even pay for you to go to a boot camp. That boot camp is basically where they just cram a bunch of knowledge. They'll take a couple weeks or a month or something, or maybe even a few days, and they'll just cram all the knowledge. And that's all you do is study for 3 days. Just torture. It's like torture. But they'll just cram all that knowledge in your head and tell you tricks that's on the test and things like that. They don't necessarily give you the test questions, but they might as well, because they're cramming a bunch of information and forcing you to study nonstop for days and days and days. And like I said, it's not fun. It sucks. But at the end of it, you're walking away with a Security Plus or a CISSP or a CEH or whatever, you know. All right, what I'm going to do is see if there's any more questions on the actual YouTube channel. And again, if anybody wants to ask questions when I get off, when I shut this live down, I'm now on Discord. Go check out the ConvoCourses Discord. You can ask questions. I don't know if I'm going to keep this Discord server up, but I figured maybe this is a good way for me to answer more questions and get more content out there and interact with you guys more. There's the Discord channel link there, and like I said, that server stays up all the time, so you can ask questions anytime. I do have a full-time job, so so I can't always answer immediately, but I will do my best. Okay.